Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best car accessories is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding categories to explore when searching for the perfect gift for the car enthusiast in your life, offering a vast array of options that range from practical upgrades to purely aesthetic enhancements, ensuring that no matter their specific tastes or the type of vehicle they drive, there's a unique and thoughtful present waiting to be discovered that will undoubtedly rev up their passion for all things automotive and make their driving experience even more enjoyable. Number 5. Drive Car Trunk Organizer. Introducing the Drive Car Trunk Organizer, designed to make tidying your vehicle's interior a breeze. It offers a flexible and convenient storage solution for all your needs. This car organization solution is incredibly versatile. It can be resized to fit various spaces and conveniently folds away when not in use, saving you valuable room. Keep everything in place with its innovative tie-down strap system. Simply fasten it to your back seat or trunk anchor points to prevent items from shifting during your drive. With multiple compartments, it effortlessly holds groceries, tools, cables, and other essentials. Keep your car's interior tidy and organized with this spacious trunk storage. Constructed with durability in mind, it features a waterproof lining and stiff base plates. This ensures it stays upright and functional throughout your journeys. We are here to help with any questions or concerns about your new trunk organizer. Enjoy peace of mind knowing our team is available 24/7 to assist you. What we like. If you're tired of a messy trunk, this organizer is for you. Its collapsible design makes storage a breeze when not in use, and the secure tie-down straps keep everything in place. Choose this if you need a versatile solution for groceries, tools, or sports equipment, keeping your car tidy on the go. What people say. This is a great gift for car lovers. The product is well made and looks fantastic. It's a unique and thoughtful gift that any car enthusiast would appreciate. Number 4. LISEN 84W Retractable Car Charger. Never let a dead battery interrupt your journey. This car charger provides reliable power for all your devices, ensuring you stay connected on daily commutes and long road trips. It's the perfect practical gift for anyone who spends time on the road. Always be ready when you need power. With retractable cables and dual USB ports, it neatly charges up to 4 devices simultaneously, solving cable clutter. It's ideal for busy drivers and families who want a tidy car and peace of mind. Experience a clean car interior with this charger's smart design. Featuring dual USB ports and retractable cables, it offers a tidy storage solution. Keep your vehicle organized while ensuring efficient power delivery for all your essential tech. This powerhouse delivers up to 84 watts of charging speed. With multiple ports, it can charge up to 4 devices at once, including fast USB-C charging for your latest smartphone. Smart power distribution ensures high-speed charging for all your gadgets. Built for reliability, even on rough roads. Its stable structure and 180 degrees adjustable angle allow for flexible positioning. This charger keeps journeys safe and clutter-free, making it a perfect gift for loved ones. This is a practical charging solution for daily commutes, road trips, and family travel. It's a smart choice for anyone who relies on multiple devices while driving, designed to keep everything powered up. What we like. For the tech-savvy driver who's always on the move, this charger is a game-changer. It eliminates cable clutter with its retractable feature and powers up to 4 devices at once with 84W fast charging. If you're looking for a practical gift for someone who relies on multiple gadgets during their commute or road trips, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This is a great gift for any car enthusiast. The product is well made and looks fantastic. It's a unique and thoughtful gift that any car lover would appreciate. Number 3. PARIGO LED Flashlight Gloves. Tired of fumbling in the dark? These gloves provide bright, hands-free light, letting you work or enjoy activities without holding a flashlight. They're perfect for any task, day or night. Looking for a unique gift? These innovative gloves are ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. They're a thoughtful present for dads, husbands, or anyone who appreciates practical gadgets. Designed with stretchy fabric and adjustable straps, these gloves offer a comfortable fit for most hand sizes. They're made to be practical and durable for everyday use. From fishing at dusk to late-night DIY projects, these gloves are incredibly versatile. They're a must-have tool for mechanics, campers, and anyone who needs a reliable light source. These waterproof gloves are ready for any adventure, whether it's camping, fishing, or walking the dog at night. They're also handy for home repairs and power outages, making life easier. Imagine having a built-in flashlight at your fingertips. These gloves are designed to illuminate your work and hobbies, making them an essential tool for modern life. What we like. When working in tight, dark spaces, fumbling with a flashlight is a hassle. These gloves provide hands-free illumination exactly where you need it. If you're a DIY enthusiast, a mechanic, or someone who enjoys outdoor activities at dusk, these are an indispensable tool for any task. What people say. The product is a great addition to any car enthusiast's collection, featuring intricate details and a realistic design. It's a high-quality replica that captures the essence of classic car models, making it a perfect display piece. Number 2. Armor All Complete Car Care Kit. Introducing the Armor All Complete Car Care Kit, your all-in-one solution for a showroom shine. This comprehensive kit is designed for the true car enthusiast. Our original protectant works hard to fight fading, aging, and cracking. It shields your car from harmful UV rays and oxidation, keeping it looking new. Experience the power of our Ultra Shine Wash and Wax. It gently lifts away dirt, revealing a brilliant, streak-free shine that will turn heads. Give your tires a fresh, deep black appearance with our tire foam protectant. It effectively cleans and restores their natural look. Achieve crystal clear, spotless glass with our convenient glass wipes. Enjoy amazing clarity and a streak-free shine for a perfect finish. This kit includes 4 of our most trusted Armor All products, ensuring your vehicle receives the best care. Everything you need for complete car detailing. What we like. Give your car the ultimate spot treatment with this comprehensive kit. It includes everything you need to wash, shine, protect, and clean your glass to perfection. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one solution to keep your vehicle looking showroom new, this kit is an excellent choice for any car enthusiast. What people say. The product is a great addition to any car enthusiast's collection, featuring intricate details and a realistic design. This item is well made and durable, perfect for display or as a conversation starter. The craftsmanship is impressive, showcasing a high level of detail that car lovers will appreciate. Number 1. Professional Car Duster Interior. Keep your car's interior spotless with our Professional Car Duster brush. It's designed for easy cleaning of dashboards and surfaces, ensuring a pristine drive every time. This car duster is perfect for quick touch-ups, fitting conveniently in your glove box. It's an essential tool for maintaining a clean and fresh car interior. Our duster features a premium microfiber head that ensures no scratches or lines are left behind. It effectively removes dust while protecting your delicate interior surfaces. Measuring just 10 inches, this cleaning tool is perfectly sized for tight spaces. It's small enough to store in your glove box, always ready when you need it. This duster isn't just for cars, it's great for motorcycles, RVs, and even home surfaces. Its electrostatic design effortlessly captures dust, making it a multipurpose cleaning solution. Whether you're a daily commuter or preparing for a special event, this duster helps maintain your car's appearance. It's a must-have accessory for anyone who values a clean vehicle. What we like. Maintaining a clean car interior has never been easier. This duster is designed for quick touch-ups and fits conveniently in your glove box. If you prioritize a pristine car interior and need a tool that's gentle on surfaces while effectively capturing dust, this is the perfect accessory for effortless detailing. What people say. The product is well made and durable, perfect for any car enthusiast. Features a sleek, modern design that looks great on display. The functionality is impressive, with several useful features for car maintenance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.